Gel fell in the well. Gel fell in the well. The red hen fell on the net. The red hen fell on the net. Increase your reading skills with short sentences. Ted has a fat vet. Ted has a fat vet. The pet of Pam is wet. The pet of Pam is wet. Can Beth lend 10 pence? Can Beth lend 10 pence? Beg the vet for a red jam. Beg the vet for a red jam. Jed is not well yet. Jed is not well yet. Let Jed rest. Let Jed rest. Jack set the net on the bed. Jack set the net on the bed. That's all. See you next time. Bye.